Beneath Antarctica's endless white, a realm of mystery and wonder lies hidden from the world above. For countless millennia, this secret world has remained untouched, sealed away beneath layers of ice that stretch as far as the eye can see. Once believed to be a frozen wasteland, this hidden domain is locked under kilometers of ancient compacted ice that has preserved its secrets for ages. Recently, teams of scientists from around the globe have braved the elements, determined to uncover what lies beneath. Their mission: to glimpse not only our planet's distant past, but also its possible future. Antarctica, a continent larger than Europe, is the coldest, driest, and highest place on Earth, a land of extremes where survival is a daily challenge. While satellites have mapped its surface, the world beneath the ice has remained shrouded in mystery, its secrets locked away in darkness and silence. Scientists long suspected that vast networks of lakes and rivers might flow in perpetual darkness, warmed by the slow heat of Earth's core, creating an environment unlike any other on the planet. But proving the existence of these hidden waters was a monumental challenge, requiring technology and perseverance on a scale rarely seen. What kind of life, if any, could survive in such crushing cold, utter darkness and isolation from the world above? That question became the driving force behind a daring scientific mission, pushing researchers to their limits. Their goal was ambitious: to drill through the thick ice of the calm ice stream and reach a suspected subglacial estuary, where a hidden river meets the ocean deep beneath the ice. This international effort faced not only technical hurdles, but also the relentless, punishing environment of Antarctica, where blizzards can strike without warning and temperatures plunge far below freezing. Yet the promise of discovery, the chance to find something truly extraordinary, was irresistible, fueling their determination. The journey began with hope, courage, and the dream of revealing a world unlike any other, hidden beneath the ice for eons. What they would eventually discover would challenge everything we thought we knew about life's ability to endure, and change our understanding of our own planet. The adventure into the unknown was about to begin, opening a new chapter in the story of Earth's most mysterious continent. Reaching this hidden world was no small feat. The team faced the daunting challenge of drilling through 500 meters of solid Antarctic ice, a barrier that had protected the secrets below for millennia. The harsh, frozen landscape stretched endlessly in every direction, and the biting wind made every movement a test of endurance and determination. Using a specially designed hot water drill, the researchers melted a narrow borehole straight down through the ancient ice. Every step was meticulously planned to avoid contaminating the pristine environment below, ensuring that whatever they found would be untouched by the outside world. Each extracted ice core was a frozen time capsule, revealing a chapter of Earth's climate history. Trapped air bubbles, ancient dust, and chemical signatures told stories of past ages. But for the team, the real prize lay far beneath their feet, in the mysterious world hidden under the ice. After hours of tense, painstaking work, the moment finally arrived. The drill broke through the last layer of ice, reaching the subglacial river system that had never before been touched by human hands. Excitement surged through the team. They had opened a portal to an unknown world, a place that had been sealed off from the surface for thousands, perhaps millions of years. With anticipation mounting, a high-definition camera was carefully lowered into the darkness. The team watched anxiously as it descended, transmitting the first-ever images from beneath the Antarctic ice. The camera revealed murky water swirling with sediment, a sign that the river system below was dynamic and alive, constantly reshaping its hidden landscape. The pressure and cold were extreme, temperatures far below freezing, and crushing forces that would be lethal to most known forms of life. It was an environment few could imagine surviving in. Scientists expected to find only hardy microbes, if anything at all. The odds of discovering complex life seemed impossibly slim in such a hostile place. But as the camera panned slowly across the rocky riverbed, the researchers held their breath, hoping for a glimpse of something extraordinary. The team braced themselves for a barren, sterile landscape, an empty world of rock and ice. Instead, what they witnessed would rewrite the story of life on Earth. The monitors flickered with images that no one had dared to expect. The camera revealed unmistakable movement, life thriving in the darkness, where none was thought possible. Tiny creatures darted through the water, defying all expectations. The discovery was beyond anyone's wildest predictions. The team erupted in celebration, realizing they had uncovered a new chapter in the story of our planet. The hidden world beneath the Antarctic ice was not only real, it was alive, vibrant, and waiting to be explored. As the camera descended deeper into the pitch-black water, it was suddenly surrounded by a flurry of movement. Tiny, darting creatures that seemed to appear out of nowhere. These were amphipods, small crustaceans that thrive in places where sunlight never reaches. Resembling miniature shrimp, these animals were not just surviving but flourishing in the total darkness beneath the Antarctic ice, forming a living cloud in the water. The scientists watching the footage were astonished. They had expected to find only simple microbial life, if anything at all. Instead, they had stumbled upon a vibrant, multicellular community, teeming with activity and complexity. These amphipods, each about the size of a grain of rice, clustered together in dense groups, forming a miniature ecosystem hidden away from the world above. But how could they possibly survive in such an extreme environment, cut off from the sun's energy? The answer lies in their diet. They likely feed on microbes that use chemosynthesis, drawing energy from chemicals dissolved in the icy water rather than from sunlight. This remarkable adaptation mirrors the life found at deep-sea hydrothermal vents, where entire ecosystems are built around chemical energy rather than solar power. The discovery was a powerful reminder of life's resilience, showing how living things can adapt and even thrive in the most extreme and inhospitable conditions imaginable. It also sparked new questions about the possibility of life in similar environments elsewhere in our solar system, such as the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, where oceans may lie hidden beneath thick shells of ice. What began as a mission to study the geology of Antarctica had, unexpectedly, revealed a hidden biological world, teeming with life where none was thought possible. The lesson is clear. Our planet still holds astonishing secrets, waiting to be discovered by those bold and curious enough to seek them out, even in the most unlikely places. The amphipods of Antarctica's subglacial river are a testament to life's tenacity, reminding us that even in the coldest, darkest corners of Earth, life finds a way to endure and flourish. The hidden river flows toward the Ross Ice Shelf, the largest in Antarctica, the size of France. This colossal ice shelf acts as a cork, holding back West Antarctica's vast ice sheets. Its stability is crucial for global sea levels. The Ross Ice Shelf is dynamic, constantly moving, carving icebergs and melting from below. The subglacial river delivers water, heat and sediment directly beneath the shelf, creating zones of vulnerability. If the shelf weakens, glaciers behind it could surge into the ocean, raising sea levels worldwide. The balance between ice gain and loss is delicate, and the hidden river is a key factor. Understanding its influence is now a scientific priority. The fate of distant coastlines is tied to this frozen giant. Antarctica's secrets have global consequences. The hidden river is reshaping Antarctica from below, carving channels and eroding the ice shelf's foundations. Its flow affects the grounding line, the critical zone where ice meets ocean. If the river causes the grounding line to retreat, more ice is exposed to warm ocean water, accelerating melting. This can trigger a feedback loop, more melting, more retreat, and even faster ice loss. Scientists are racing to understand how the river's flow and temperature are changing. If it grows stronger or warmer, the risk to the ice shelf increases dramatically. The discovery forces us to rethink how ice sheets behave and how quickly sea levels could rise. The hidden plumbing beneath Antarctica is as important as the ice above. Our models must now account for these secret rivers. The future of our coasts may depend on what happens deep beneath the ice. Melting Antarctic ice drives global sea level rise, threatening coastal communities everywhere. Even small increases in sea level can cause devastating floods, erosion, and saltwater intrusion. Major cities and hundreds of millions of people are at risk. The hidden river's discovery reveals new ways ice melt can accelerate, shortening the time we have to adapt. Coastal communities may need to act sooner than expected. The fate of a river beneath Antarctic ice is linked to the future of cities worldwide. Our planet's systems are deeply interconnected. Understanding these links is vital for responsible action. The choices we make now will shape the world for generations to come. Antarctica's changes are part of a larger story: how human pollution is altering Earth's climate. Burning fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases, trapping heat and causing global warming. The polar regions are warming fastest, melting ice from above and below. Pollution from anywhere on Earth can accelerate Antarctic melt. Plastic and chemical pollution also reach even the most remote places, harming wildlife and ecosystems. The Hidden River's vibrant ecosystem is now vulnerable to these changes. Our modern lifestyle impacts even the planet's most isolated corners. The discovery is both a wonder and a warning. The health of this hidden world, and our own, depends on the choices we make. The challenge is immense, but we are not powerless. Transitioning to clean, renewable energy is crucial. Every solar panel and wind turbine helps. Conserving energy, choosing sustainable transport, and reducing single-use plastics all make a difference. Supporting businesses and policies that protect the environment amplifies our impact. Participating in local cleanups and preparing for climate impacts builds resilience. Coastal communities can adapt by improving infrastructure and planning for floods. Every action, large or small, contributes to a safer future. Our collective efforts are our greatest strength. Together, we can protect our planet. The discovery beneath Antarctica's ice is a story of wonder, resilience, and hope. It reminds us that life can thrive in the most unlikely places. Science gives us the knowledge to face our challenges and protect our world. The Hidden River inspires us to explore, learn, and act. If life can persist in the darkest depths, so can our determination to build a sustainable future. The secrets of Antarctica urge us to become better stewards of our planet. Let's carry this lesson forward, protecting our only home together. The adventure continues and hope endures.